Tuesday. I believe it is March 13. I just got back from the hair salon. I did a touch-up on my color and I cut my hair. It's a lot shorter right now. My hair does grow really fast, and so it's always nice when I get like a bunch of inches chopped off. It just feels a lot lighter and just more body and bounce. I went a little bit darker on the highlights. It's more just focused towards the end. I wanted to darken this top part a little more, so that's what we did today. So I got some packages in the mail as soon as I got home, and I just wanted to do an unboxing with you guys for one of them. So let's get to that. So I just got a package from Good American. I literally just got it, so I haven't even opened the box yet. But let's open that right now. So if you're not familiar with the brand, Good American was founded by Khloe Kardashian and Emma Grady or something like that in 2016. And what is cool about the brand, what sets them apart from other brands, is that they fit all body types from 00 all the way up to size 24. So they're all about body positivity. So Good American tries to break down, you know, all the barriers by believing that all women should be celebrated and that every body should be shown off. Another great thing about Good American is that for every item sold, they donate to a place called Step Up, which is an organization that helps girls reach their fullest potential, girls from under-resourced places. So this is what the box looks like, and I'm just going to open up, see what's inside. So I love that they put this in like a plastic little case right here. So first thing, I'm guessing this is a bodysuit. Yep, this is a really pretty bodysuit, long sleeve, V-neck. It has a nice like curve. I don't know if you guys can see that, but on the sides it has this curve that goes down the sides, which is really gonna give your body like a nice figure. And then I got a white pair of jeans and a black pair of jeans. Okay, let me see what the white one looks like. So these are a pair of skinny jeans. I got them in a 00. I think that is equivalent to their size 24, but it is a high waist, which I love. Already I can feel the material is really nice and stretchy, but it doesn't feel like that stretchy where it's gonna stretch out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try these on for you. And I believe the black one is pretty much the same. The black one I also got in a size 24. Oh no, these are some shorts. So cute. So cut off shorts in black, just like this. It does have some rips on them. So yeah, the shorts are really cute. I'm super excited about it. So I'm just gonna try them on real quick. I'm gonna put this bodysuit on and try it out with the white jeans and then with the shorts. All right, so I slipped on this bodysuit and the jeans as well, and I have to say I'm really impressed. The bodysuit is really nice. However, it is pretty tight because it's supposed to be tight. Now, the bodysuit's supposed to have like this compression so that your tummy, you know, looks seamless, and so all the parts that usually women are worried about won't show. So that's why it's supposed to be tight. Also, it's a really low V, so your boobs don't come popping out. Like, I'm not wearing a bra with it right now. So if you don't want it too tight, then I would probably suggest sizing up because it is pretty tight. So these are just the Good crop jeans. So these are the back of it. I'm really happy with how the butt looks. They fit me perfectly. So I can tell already, like I mentioned earlier, they're a nice stretch, so they're not gonna stretch out a full size. The way that it is hugging my legs is like, I know it's not gonna stretch out. When you take them off after wearing them for a full day, you're not gonna have to throw them in the washer to get them tight again, or the dryer. So I actually really like this outfit together. And I actually really like that I don't have to wear a bra with this and that I'm comfortable enough to wear them together. So now what I know from the design of these jeans is that they are supposed to fit any body shape, and it's supposed to just hug your waist really nicely. And also the back of it is not gonna be annoying where you're gonna have a gap when you sit down. It's just supposed to fit you in all the right places, no matter what body type you are. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and leave this bodysuit on and try on those shorts. All right, so these are the shorts. They are longer than the usual shorts I wear, but I actually love that about them. These are just gonna be nice for spring. I love how it looks with this bodysuit again. Same thing as the white jeans that I just showed you guys. It's so like comfortable and so stretchy. I pulled these on without having to like wiggle my butt in them. What the back looks like, I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see much of what it looks like. So spring and summer is coming up, so if you're looking for really comfortable shorts, try out the Good American ones, especially if you're looking for something comfortable that you can just slip on, but something that'll still give your body really nice shape. I do have a discount code. It is just Naomi GA, as in Good American, so Naomi GA for 20% off, and you get free shipping on anything over $100. So again, everything that I got from Good American will be linked in the description box below, as well as the coupon code and the info for all of that, and the link to shop online. I just have to look at myself again because this is a different look. I love it though. So I just wanted to throw some heels on with this outfit because I just thought that with heels, it just looks really nice and like sexy but still comfortable. So I just wanted to give you guys ideas on how to style these. I'm just gonna get out of these Good American clothes. I'm gonna take a shower. I'm pretty tired. I haven't been sleeping well the past couple of nights ever since the whole, I think it's because of the time change, but I'm not entirely sure it's 100% because of that. I know it's also because Jamie is in India and it's just weird. Like I just kind of get a little bit scared. I just scare myself, and so that's why I don't sleep as well as when he is with me. I was just asking myself last night, like, how did you even do this living by yourself for years? Because I used to live by myself for so many years and I loved it. I guess I just got used to him being around. So I took a shower. I didn't wash my hair because my colorist said not to wash my hair for at least 2 days just to preserve and keep the color since it's so new. I made myself some noodles. These are like Korean spicy noodles. And yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. It is Wednesday, March 14. I am just gonna run upstairs to start editing. I got myself a coffee this morning. This time I got an iced one from Starbucks. I'm trying this new lipstick out. I got it from ColourPop. This is from I Love Satai's collection. And it's different. It's a different kind of color for me. I feel like it makes me look very cool tone, but it's not bad, not bad. And this is my hair a day after. Still looks really nice. It feels really nice, and I'm really liking it.
It is raining outside and we're still in bed.
So I just finished editing a video that's supposed to go out tomorrow. It's around 1:40, so it's almost 2 o'clock. I haven't eaten anything yet, and I'm gonna make like an egg salad sandwich. So just have my eggs right here, and I'm boiling some water right now.
We don't wanna wake up yet, no, 'cause I just wanna stay here right next to you, baby, yeah. 'Cause we both deserve this time.
All right, so it is now almost 6 o'clock. No, it is 6:23. I'm way off. I just ordered some food. I ordered some chicken fried rice. Looks like that. And then I have some scallion pancakes. So that's what my scallion pancakes look like. And they have this like ginger sauce with it in there. Good morning. It is March 15. It is Thursday. I'm just in my workout gear because I need to go to the gym. It's been so long. I've been wanting to go, but since I got my hair done, my colorist told me not to wash my hair, and I cannot work out without washing my hair afterwards because of all that sweat. I don't know how some ladies can work out and sweat and then just like not wash their hair. I just cringe. I just cannot do that. I just got back from the gym. I'm all like red a little. I probably shouldn't have done this, but I worked out just on coffee and a banana, and it's now past 2, almost 3. So I'm starting my lunch right now. I'm eating my leftover egg salad sandwich. You know, I used to really hate eggs. Like I used to hate eggs. everything about it. All right, so my hair is washed and I'm gonna edit now. Kind of like working backwards. My day is kind of just starting, already 4:30, but I'm gonna work now. This music in the background, it's because I'm watching a live Instagram from Cascade. I think this is the coolest thing. I don't know if any of you guys know who Cascade is, but he's a DJ. And he is probably one of the first people when it comes to this kind of music that I ever listened to, who I immediately fell in love with. I started going to Miami every March almost, around this time. He is like my all-time favorite when it comes to like EDM music. And it's like you can literally have a concert at your house with him. Good morning, everyone. It is Friday, March 16. I just got back from a coffee run. So Jamie gets back today in a couple hours, so I'm gonna pick him up from the airport, but right now I'm just going to film before that. Getting my clothes together so I can film this video. So I'm gonna do that right now. So I just filmed that video. It was really frustrating because I didn't end up liking a lot of the outfits that I chose for it. That's what happens when you don't really plan your videos out so much. So yeah, it's just way easier when you actually plan it out, write it out. But sometimes it's different when you actually look at yourself and actually try this stuff on than what you're envisioning just by looking at the outfits. So overall I did it. It just took a lot longer, and that's the part that's frustrating. It's 1:30 right now and Jamie should be landing, but since he has to go through customs and all of that good stuff, I'm probably not gonna leave until he texts me. Hello. Vlogging you.
Oh my gosh, I made it. That was a trip. I think it was, well, 16 hours flying back, 3.5 hours from Ahmedabad to Dubai.
You must be so tired, you can't even talk.
And then, I can't. And then
We can say bye.
16 hours from Dubai here.
We got our wedding album back and that's what it looks like. It's nice and pretty.
Yeah.
It's Jamie's first time.
It's my first time seeing it.
All right, so while Jamie is downstairs just freshening up, I'm probably gonna take a nap, and I'm just working, kind of gathering everything and planning everything out. Some stuff is due. So that's what we're doing for Friday. So far it's 4:54, it's almost 5 o'clock. I think we're gonna go out for dinner. Depends on how tired he is, but I'm hoping because it's Mexican Javier's that I really want to eat.
I feel your heartbeat. I know you're concrete, 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 concrete,
So we are getting ready to go and eat. March 17, and I'm really late vlogging today because we're really late people to everything. It is now, what, 6:30, and we just left Kansas Bar because Kansas was playing and they won. Not much happened earlier today. We didn't even go to the gym today. It's St. Patrick's Day today, so it's just crazy everywhere. Just got home and I have a bunch of packages. Took my ponytail off. Such a relief. I never tie my hair up. Jamie was like, you have a package and it says keep frozen, and I'm like, what package do I need to keep frozen? So I opened it and it is freaking Halo Top ice cream. It's I was literally telling Jamie in the car, can you take me to either McDonald's or the liquor store? Because I don't want to go to a grocery store right now. I'm just not in the mood for that. But something small where I can just get Haagen-Dazs. And I was like, you know what? Don't go there. I don't want to go to a store. I just don't want to go. Let's just go home. And I got ice cream. I'm so excited. I'm gonna try this all out and I'll let you guys know how it is. But anyway, just so you guys know what flavors I have chocolate chip cookie dough. I have regular chocolate. This one's sea salt caramel. This one is vanilla bean, mint chip, birthday cake, and peanut butter cup. Thank you, Halo Top, for sending these to me. I feel like it's like a dream come true to have ice cream sent to your house. So just wanted to share with you guys, I got another package also from Charlotte Tilbury. It's a trio of lipsticks. It's called the Charlotte Tilbury at your lip service 3 lipsticks fit for a queen, which is all of you guys watching this video right now, so you deserve these lipsticks. This one is the Queen, and then the middle one is Duchess, and then the last one is Legendary Queen. So these are the colors from left to right. Starting from the left is Queen, the middle is Duchess, and the last one on the right is Legendary Queen, and they're just such pretty colors. It is Sunday, March 18. I literally just woke up. Jamie's still sleeping because he's super tired still from all that traveling. I woke up to publish my video real quick, and I'm gonna go get his coffee because I can't wait. And I am actually going to film today, I think. Somebody woke up because he wanted to be in action. Do you have FOMO?
Yeah, I wanted to be with you.
So I still have, whoa, car. This is not a lane for you to turn left. Gosh. Anyway, we just got gas. Now we're gonna go get some coffee.
Yay.
And then we're hungry, so
yeah, we're hungry.
We are probably gonna get some pancakes. We've been talking about pancakes for like, I don't know, a month now, and we just
You've been talking about pancakes.
Okay, fine. I've been talking about it. You know, I never used to like pancakes, just like how I never used to like eggs. I guess when you get older, you just like certain things you don't like anymore. But I've just been wanting it. I'm actually probably not even gonna go get pancakes once we get to that place. I like their waffles, so we'll probably go there and I'll probably get waffles.
Yeah.
Doing a little shopping for dinner tonight. We have some taco stuff for smoothie, berries, cheese, chicken, wine. So I have now put makeup on and did my hair because I'm getting ready to film, but Jamie is over there reading his Vitamix instruction guide because we just got it from our Zola gift registry from our wedding. He's just cleaning it right now, and then he's gonna make us some smoothies for a snack. And then I'm just gonna film, and then we're gonna make some dinner tonight. We're having chicken tacos. We're gonna watch Jamie make a smoothie, and he's like really concentrated and really to the T with measurements. Let's just go spy on him. Yummy.